You should see Cynddelyn on a tractor. Gone the old look that yoked him to the soil. He's a new man now, part of the machine. His nerves of metal, his blood oil. The clutch curses, but the gears obey his least command, and lo, he's away, out of the farmyard scattering hens, riding to work now as a great man should. He is a knight at arms, breaking the field's mirror of silence, and emptying the woods of foxes, squirrels, and bright jays. The sun comes over the tall trees, kindling the hedges, but not for him who runs his engine on a different fuel. And all the birds are singing bills wide in vain, as Cynddelyn passes proudly up the lane.